Hello everyone, in this video we will explore the Docker pull command. We will learn how to download images from Docker Hub. Docker pull is a command that downloads Docker images from a registry, such as Docker Hub, to your local machine. This allows you to use pre-built images for your applications or services without having to create them from scratch. The basic syntax for the Docker pull command is straightforward. It consists of the words Docker pull, followed by the name of the image you want to download. For example, Docker pull image_name. Let us look at a practical example. To download the latest Ubuntu image, you would use the command Docker pull Ubuntu. This command fetches the most recent version of the Ubuntu image from Docker Hub and stores it on your local machine. Docker images often have tags that specify different versions. To pull a specific version, you can use the syntax Docker pull image_name : tag. For example, Docker pull Ubuntu : 20.04 downloads Ubuntu version 20.04. Here are some common examples of using Docker pull with different images and tags. Docker pull Nginx downloads the latest Nginx image. Docker pull Python : 3.9 downloads Python version 3.9. Docker pull Node : 16-Alpine downloads the Alpine-based version of Node version 16. After pulling an image, you can verify that it has been successfully downloaded by using the Docker images command. This command lists all the Docker images stored locally on your machine, along with their tags, image IDs, and sizes. The key takeaway from this video is that Docker pull is a command that downloads images from Docker Hub to your local machine for immediate use. This allows you to quickly and easily deploy applications and services using pre-built images. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.